Chapter 26. Safe Practices for Using Social Media. Protect your privacy and security on social media with these essential tips.
Review privacy settings. 1. Adjust visibility. Limit public access to your profile and posts. 2. Manage contacts. Control who can see your personal information. 3. Stay updated. Regularly review and update your privacy settings. 4. Stay informed. Stay informed about common social media scams, privacy risks, and best practices for protecting your information.
Be cautious with personal info. 1. Avoid oversharing. Limit public access to your profile and posts. 2. Disable location sharing. Prevent revealing your location to others.
Think before you post. 1. Consider consequences. Be mindful of how your posts can impact your life. 2. Respect privacy. Obtain consent before sharing others' information.
Recognize and avoid scams. 1. Be skeptical. Verify the authenticity of offers and messages. 2. Protect your info. Don't share personal details with unknown sources.
Secure your accounts. 1. Strong passwords. Use unique, complex passwords for each account. 2. Two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your accounts. 3. Regular security checks. Review account activity and connected apps.
Avoid suspicious links. 1. Be cautious. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or messages. 2. Report abuse. Report any suspicious or abusive behavior.
Stay informed and educate others. 1. Stay updated. Learn about social media risks and best practices. 2. Spread awareness. Share knowledge to promote safer online habits.
Quiz. 1. What is a safe practice for using social media privacy settings? A. Keep all settings public for maximum visibility. B. Review and adjust privacy settings regularly. C. Share sensitive personal information openly. D. Disable all privacy settings.
2. Why should you be cautious with location sharing on social media? A. It helps increase engagement with your posts. B. It can reveal your current location to strangers. C. It prevents your friends from finding you. D. It improves your social media ranking.
3. What should you consider before posting on social media? A. The number of likes you will receive. B. The potential consequences of your posts. C. The latest trending topics. D. The length of your post.
4. How can you protect your social media accounts with strong passwords? A. Using the same password for all accounts. B. Enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. C. Sharing your password with friends. D. Using simple passwords that are easy to remember.
5. Why is it important to regularly review your social media account activity? A. To increase your follower count. B. To detect and prevent unauthorized access. C. To receive more notifications. D. To improve your social media engagement.
6. What should you do if you receive a suspicious message containing a link on social media? A. Click on the link immediately. B. Ignore the message. C. Report the message and avoid clicking on the link. D. Share the link with your friends.
7. What is the benefit of enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, on social media accounts? A. It increases the number of followers. B. It adds an extra layer of security. C. It improves post engagement. D. It prevents account deletion.
8. What should you do if you notice suspicious activity on your social media account? A. Share it with your followers. B. Ignore it. C. Report it to the social media platform's support or reporting system. D. Delete your account.
9. What can you do to protect your social media accounts from phishing attacks? A. Share your login credentials with others. B. Enable 2FA. C. Click on all links in messages to verify their authenticity. D. Share personal information openly.
10. Why is it important to educate yourself and others about social media safety? A. To increase post visibility. B. To prevent unauthorized access and protect personal information. C. To receive more friend requests. D. To become a social media influencer.
Career Development Programs in Cybersecurity. First program is Cyber Sentinel Trailblazer. Duration, 3 months. Second program is Professional Certification Program in IT Governance. Duration, 1 year. Third program is Postgraduate Program in IT Governance and Security Audit. Duration, 2 years. For further information, contact us on 7068710000. Other number is 9878400815.